Planning a snow weekend? Your best friend on the mountain could be the Thule's Vector roof box, especially when it's fitted to a Subaru WRX all-wheel drive GT Sportswagon with optional Thule crossbars. It is the simplest and most worry-free way to get you and your gear to the slopes. First, lift the roof box onto the car using 2 people. It's a simple matter of lifting it up, aligning the claws and sliding it across the roof. Check you've got it in position and make sure the tailgate has clearance. Once you're happy, just tighten the PowerClick knobs onto the bars. To reach across, you might want to stand on the rear wheel or the door apertures. When you're ready to load, don't forget these Thule boxes can open on either side, so choose the side where you'll have the best access. Start with the snowboard. Place it in onto the integrated fault line base, then add the skis. Link the straps together and tie down. Another handy tip is to pack a brush to remove snow and dirt from used gear, and maybe an old towel to wipe up moisture. For soft snow gear, use the GoPack bags. Place them on top of the snowboard and skis. Don't forget to take the wet gear out overnight and dry it. Otherwise, you might get a chilly surprise when you're ready to ski again in the morning. There is a huge volume of storage up here, 360 litres. It's designed to take wet and dry items and keep them safe and secure, leaving the car's interior cargo area free for your normal baggage. Now you're all packed, lock the box, remove the key, and put it somewhere you won't forget it. Then, hit the road. And remember, your Thule accessories are warranted for 3 years, as long as you have them fitted by an authorised Subaru retailer when you buy the car or at your first service.